Okay, we have a couple of questions for the three first presenters. First of all, to Mr. Rifat, how do you select the materials of 120 companies for the holistic approach project?
So, here's Professor Rifat.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, listening.
Okay, shall I repeat the question?
Yeah, please, because I didn't hear it.
Okay, the question is, how do you select the materials of 120 companies for the holistic approach project?
The companies, what happened that when we started the project, I invited, key companies. We have 7 companies, key companies, but also we involve various manufacturers, various suppliers. So each company do a certain part of the building. So they all came on board. For example, some do the ground source heat pump, some do the insulation material, lighting. So I managed to put all that together to get this project underway. That's completed. 7 houses are up and running, all occupied and monitored. That's the approach. I have a very strong contact through the World Society of Sustainable Energy Technologies. I have over 2,000 members from industry. So I could put a consortium of companies together very quickly because I have very big database for industry and good contact. And they all benefit from the cooperation with the university here, testing a product or joining some EU project or other initiatives. So all benefit. So they see the benefit, they join the project. That's the way.
Okay. And the second question, either to you or to Mr. Tetlow, you can choose yourself. How does the HERB project bring together different needs and expectations of the various housing retrofitting needs across the different countries in Europe?
Okay. Do you want to?
Yeah. Okay, this is David. Well, what we've done is we've broken the houses down into 3 climates, essentially. We've taken the cold climate and the temperate climates. So the colder climates are like Holland and the UK. The more temperate climates are in the north of Italy and Switzerland. And the warmer climates are in Greece and Portugal and Spain. Now, what we've done is we've applied specific technologies that would be applicable to those climates. So, for example, you wouldn't use a lot of insulation in a warm climate. That would be reserved for the cooler, colder, and temperate climates. And now, the control mechanism which Walter mentioned is essentially a modular-based system. So it deals with warmer technologies such as shading and lighting, and it can handle those. But it's also going to be designed for the other, the cooler type of technologies, where we try and utilize as much sunlight as we can through the solar and PV technologies. So in terms of the different climates, we tailored the retrofit cases to the specific location.
Very good. And last question for now, regarding the COP of water heating systems, is the COP of 4 from an accredited body or based on anecdotal or in situ tests?
Yeah, this is referring to the heat pump. So what happened, we've done quite a research in the University of Nottingham. We've done, over the last 4 years, we developed a variety of prototypes unit, and then we test them in the lab, and these are test results done by the university, by my researchers, and we published a number of papers anyway. So that's the result come on the test done by the university in our labs. Very repeated tests under different conditions. Also, we put them in a building as well. So there's the database on the weather condition in UK, not in the rest of Europe, UK climate. Okay? Any other things? Any other questions?
That's it for the moment. I give back the floor to Alexander.